Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to replace the lamp, Khalid lamp for Diasis Response 920 machine. This is a biochemistry machine from Germany. Diasis is the brand from Germany, and this is the model Response 920. So today I will teach you how to replace the lamp. So this is the lamp, 12 volts lamp, and here is the machine. So let's see how we are going to replace it. Do you have any question?
Yes, Brother Shakil. I want to ask, why am I getting cell blank error messages?
Okay, there are different possibilities for the cell blank. First of all, I will show you from where you can see cell blank. So just click on the maintenance. I'll click here on the maintenance, and here click on cell blank. This is cell blank. If I click on cell blank, so here you can see that most of them are dirty, red in color. Few are okay. So there are different possibilities. Possibilities means that it could be the lamp issue and it could be the water issue.
Oh, the water.
So first of all, as I know that your here, if I just look at here, this one is at very bottom. As per me, it should be, it's like from 300 up to 900. Above 900, it will be red in color. It will not work. Okay. So first thing is that I'm going to change your lamp, and second thing is that I will, and of course after that we will check that if still is dirty, then we'll work on the cuvettes. Because sometimes if cuvette is dirty, so it will also face the same, we will also face the same kind of issue. And another thing is that you can also check from here in the reports, click on the error log, first report, click on the error log, and here I'll just click show. So here you can also see that it's showing that cell blank out of range, position number 1, 2, 3. And what is this position number? These are the position for the cuvettes. Okay?
I see.
That's it. Okay, let's start. First of all, remove this cover. Okay. Now we are going to open these two screws. Okay, and we are going to remove this plate. This is the lamp, and now first of all we are going to check the voltages of the lamp, because it's a 12 volt, but what I'm recommending that it should be always at 11.7 or 11.8 volts. Okay, so this is a lamp which we are going to replace, and you can see in this box I got one lamp gain values. So after replacing the lamp, I will check the gain values. Okay, now we are going to replace the lamp. So first of all, you can see the two terminals. So I will just lose this. And I will remove like this. And same as now, rotate this one, and here you will see Allen key. So this is the Allen key which we are going to use. So let me tell you about the size. So this one is 1.5 mm. So just, you can see here, it's easy to see that, and I will just loose. No need to open, no need to take it out, just loose little bit, and now you will see I can easily remove the lamp. So this is the way how to replace the lamp. Before I will insert inside, you will see that there is one. Can you see one minute? Yes. Yes. You see this? Okay. And here also you will see one pin downside. So direction should be this notch, like this one cut should be at the bottom. And now I will insert inside. That's it. After inserting inside, what I will do, I will tighten the screw like this. I will use it. Done. And same as these terminals. So one terminal connect here and one here. Like this, and I will tighten. Now you can see. Now it's ready. Now we are going to check the voltages. So I'm going to check. Okay. let's see how much voltage is. So it is 11.7. So ideal voltages. So now I'm gonna replace the lamp. So before I will replace the lamp, I will switch off the machine. Now next step, cover this. And first of all, you can see these two holes. If you want to connect like this, you cannot. You will see that you will find only one hole, there's not there. So that's why there is no chance, there is no mistakes. So only you will find like this. That's it. Finally, cover this. And we have replaced the lamp, but one more thing which I observe here, these tubes. You can see it's not clear, it's dirty, it's yellowish in color. So I'm going to replace all these tubing as well. So before that, you can see that it was red in color. Most of the qubits were dirty. As I told you that it could be the problem of the lamp. So here you can see that now I am running the qubit wash. So it is now black. It's going to be. It's continuously going on. You can see till now it's black. So let's see after 1 minute. That now all are black, which means it was the lamp problem, as I told you earlier. Earlier you can see that almost most of the qubits were red in color, which means it shows dirty. But as I told you that it was a lamp problem. And another thing is that now I am also going to check the water quality. So I have this tester, connectivity tester. So I will check the TDS of water. Okay, now we are going to check the TDS value of this water. You can see here it is showing almost 7, and we are always recommending 0 or maximum 1. It should not be above than that, but still it is showing little bit higher. So I will recommend these people to check the filter. Okay guys, if you have any question related to this machine, please write in comments, and if you need any kind of help, please send me the message. I will try to solve the problem. So see you again with the new machine. Till that time, bye bye.